I gonna get pegged if I move up?
Probably.
Jump on that tower.
I didn't know oh hey. I didn't know the damn team was coming this way. Get the belly in there now. Show what the older folks look like.
This is what you're gonna look like in 20 years.
20? I'm only 8 years older.
Guys, you need cover fire. Cover right or cover left? Both. Both? I'm throwing this into the blast. I think cover's the right,
I'm gonna get the YouTube link, right? You're lucky you'll get me falling on my head.
I want to say hit. Oh, that holds like 16.
They're running around right! Right!
John, I'm so sorry. I feel like such a dick. I'm sorry.
They're going way back.
Yo, they're going way behind, way behind.
Hey, ride seal moving on.
They got a ride seal.
Let's try firing. You gotta wind it. Oh shit. Guys, do some cover! Over to our right! All right!
Oh, come on, that's okay.
Hey, shotgun on the left. One in the tower. You need cover to our right. Guy over there.
Alright, how's left?
Ah, they're good. They're just staying. There's a guy at our 11.
I should be done, bitches. I'm going inside. Whoa! That was John!
Did you make winding?
Yeah.
John, on your left!
Guys, move far around.
Yo, everybody shoots us not to do it, they die. Yeah, they're going through the woods!
No one comes up.
Alright.
You got to go far, dude. Okay. You got to cover. Go.
Yeah. We're on it. Yay.
Great.
Oh, what?
That guy just got Ross, how's it hanging?
How close are these guys?
kind of gun you got there?
KWA SR10.
Very nice. Any upgrades to it?
Not really, just bare stock.
Alright, rock on.
Just a full mag, some good stuff.
I'm coming.
Hey, Logan.
What?
Where are they coming from?
Right here, right here, right here.
Green
Come
shed.
down. Here. Go. Run down, just run. John, just run.
Got one about, I don't know,
That's the
10 o'clock, 10 o'clock
hits.
tree. 10 o'clock tree. Smoke his head out.
10 o'clock tree. John, we got you covered. Come down.
Oh shit.
It's fully loaded.
Guy there's a guy right in the crack of the tree.
Camera!
Oh! Shit, it didn't go off.
Nope, never mind.
Speak of the devil.
He ran right into it.
He did?
Yeah, he ran out and he ran back and exploded.
Got him.
Fuck it, fuck.
Good Lord. Ow.
Keep an eye out. Are there any guys left in the black one?
I'm not seeing any.
The things I do for YouTube.
Hey Greg, if I move up to that hill,
Yeah. Well, based on how they're playing right now.
And dude, I'm going on semi.
How do we wait too much?
No, it's just that I won't have enough.
Camera in black.
Right here.
Давай сюда ее. Сейчас, подожди. Подожди, стой, нет, здесь есть. Здесь есть.
Есть, нашли зажигалку. Не надо больше.
What you gonna throw? Smoke bomb?
What happened to semi-auto?
Huh?
What happened to semi-auto?
I don't know.
It fell down.
Yep, it's tempting.
It's too much fun.
Yep.
yeah, we're coming to get you, Brody.
Right there, boom. How did you get in there? Oh, thank you. Hi, it stinks now, huh? Your face.
Hey, that guy's out. He's waving the cat.
I'm stuck to a tree.
Guys, charge. Take it on nothing.
Spray.
Oh, I do not want to get shot like that. Nice run, Nick.
Come on, Brody, look at me. One more time. Come on, you can do this.
Smile for the flash.
Come on, just look at me. Ah! Right shield straight ahead.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Camera! 1 minute!
I got him. Oh shit.
Camera! Game over! Game over! Game over! Safety on! Cease fire!
Put that board. That's the board on the right.
Watch me.
You can do it.
Did that really just hit yourself?
You going
Where's my gun?
You get shot in the nose? Ow. You alright?
Yeah, fine.
All I saw was on the camera first. I'm like, what's in his nose?
It is not a tampon.
No, thank God. Hey, that would work though.